We have this breaking news. The Sandigan Bayan 2nd Division has issued an arrest warrant against Senator Jinggoy Estrada over a graft case. This is in connection with the graft case filed against him by the Ombudsman over his alleged links to the flood control scandal. A whole departure order was likewise issued against him. Now, BNC saw a copy of the arrest order. Nakalagay dito, it's bailable ng 90,000 pesos at kasama rin dito sa arrest warrant si former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. But Senator Jinggoy is also facing a plunder case doon sa 5th Division ng Sandigan Bayan, and this is already his 3rd plunder case dahil nadawit din siya before sa pork barrel scam at ang plunder ay non-bailable. Hinihintay pa natin kung makaka-issue din ng arrest warrant for plunder, pero wala pa yon sa ngayon. Ang sabi ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla kanina, nakausap niya si Senator Jinggoy at sinabi niya he has 2 options, surrender or face arrest. At wala daw special treatment para kay Senator Jinggoy. But the senator raised a health concern. He needs knee replacement surgery, ang sabi niya. So abangan natin. Ang sabi ni John Vic Remulla, this is not in their jurisdiction. Sa Sandigan Bayan na lang daw magpaliwanag si Senator Jinggoy. Ang abangan natin kung papayagan ba ang hospital arrest or kung saan ba siya pwedeng makulong, kung doon din siya sa same detention facility kung nasaan si former Senator Bong Revilla. Pwede rin namang makapag-file siya ng bail or makapag-piyansa siya within the day. So, stay tuned for this developing story here on the Billionaire News Channel.